Alright, so now we've moved on to waves, and it's really a fun topic where we deal with longitudinal waves, transverse waves, and from there we can actually experiment with how light diffracts or refracts and in different mediums, right? All of that you would understand once you start getting involved in physics and everything else. So let's move on. So we deal with period. Periodicity is the time it takes for something to complete a full oscillation, and that is represented by capital T. And to find the period of something, you would say 1 divided by the frequency, right? And therefore the units to be in seconds, because this is time. Now, speed of a wave is velocity equal to frequency times wavelength. The units for velocity will be meters per second, because frequency would have units of 1 over s, and lambda would have units of meters. Sometimes a lambda is given in nanometers, and that is where we would do our conversions. You'll learn about that later on. Now, a refractive index is equal to the sine of the incident ray over the sine of the refracted ray, and you don't have any units for that. And a refractive index is a constant number, and it is different for each medium light may have entered. For instance, the refractive index of glass is different from the refractive index of perspex. So those are definite numbers you can use to determine whether you have a certain translucent material. Then you can determine critical angle, and that is determined by sine C equals to 1 over the refractive index of boundary. And with that you would have not really a unit, but like a degree sign. We continue with the waves. You deal with magnification. And the magnification is determined by the height of the image over the height of the object that has no units, and it's also determined by the distance of the image over the distance of the object. And we connotate distance of image with V and distance of object with a U, no units. Then you have a lens formula with 1 over F is equal to 1 over U plus 1 over V. And you know what V and U are. F is equal to the focal length. And you usually have units in centimeters or meters. Pretty much that's the end of waves.